Quality infrastructure is essential for football to thrive and can be the catalyst for success in any country. The Asian Football Confederation (AFC) President's Infrastructure Initiative was introduced to address the needs of its AFC Members Association with the aim to increase, upgrade, and expand football facilities across the continent. In 2017, Tajikistan Football Federation (TFF) had identified the country's home ground, the Republican Central Stadium in Dushanbe, for redevelopment. Answering the clarion call, the AFC, through its President's Infrastructure Initiative, deployed an expert consultant to assess the condition of the pitch in September last year. The assessment underlined the need for change. Overutilization had destroyed the fibers of the pitch, comprising the safety of players. In a matter of weeks, a transparent and robust tender process was set in motion. By December, the AFC appointed Hatco Sport as the providers of the artificial football pitch. And in just less than 6 months, the pristine new pitch was installed in line with the highest FIFA Quality Pro standards. The new and improved Republican Central Stadium pitch reflects the ambition and drive of the TFF to unlock the promise for football in Tajikistan. For Asian football, it is another fine example of the AFC's sterling commitment to strengthen the foundations for the game to reach even greater heights.